How to save favorite location on Citymapper. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to save favorite location on Citymapper. In order to save favorite location on Citymapper, you have to follow the steps. First thing, update your application, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Citymapper account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So right on this page, you can go ahead and select get home, or you can just go ahead and select the star button from the top, and then now you can go ahead and save a place. So type in the place that you wish to save it. I'm going to go with this one, and when you've done that, you can just tap the tick icon located right over here, and here you go, that you've saved a new places to favorite. And if you wish to access it, go to the places, and here you can see this is actually the location that you've saved or set as saved as favorite location on Citymapper. So likewise, if you wish to remove it, then you can just tap the three dot icon next to it, and when you do that, you can just go ahead and select edit. After that, you can make changes with the location. So that's how you can save favorite location on Citymapper. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.